Good morning, Truckions. Truckions, man. I'm out here in Kettle Fall. Let me see, where am I at? Yep, I'm in Kettle Falls, Washington at Boise Cascade. I'm picking up lumber. I'm picking up a total of, if you guys can see that, 96 pieces of lumber. 64,988 pounds, 10,144 pieces, man. It is 6:50 in the morning, Truckians. 6:50 in the morning. I just checked in at 6:30. I'm waiting on the forklift guy to come get me. My first time here, so we can head on out, man. Well, I get back with you guys when I'm loaded and all the straps are strapped down and I'm tarped. Hey, like I said, when you sleeping, you ain't making money. When the wheels is rolling, you making money. Hey, let's get this money, Truckians. Alright, fully loaded, 64,000 pounds. I did 3 belly straps, 2 over the top, 3 belly straps, 2 over the top, 3 belly straps, 2 over the top, all the way down. Now it's time for me to get up here and tarp. And here we go. What's up, Truckians? I'm back, man. Tarped and secured, man. I dropped my axles, my pusher. We heading on down the road, man, to Utah. 67,000 pounds of pure lumber. Let's ride.